Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, so we've had this 6 sessions of consolidation. At times it's been in a wide range, at times it's been a little bit tighter. You can see the bulls trying to break out over the top, making a higher high versus this 29.11 half from June the 11th. The story is really told on the hourly chart. You can see all this consolidation. It's trying to pop up over the top. We've been open now for about 10 minutes. I did one of these before the tape, before the open, but something in the upload didn't work, so I'm doing it again. So I'm going to keep it pretty quick. We've talked about consolidation. We talked about weekly pivot support. Now we're talking about expansion. The reality is, with the amount of compression that is built up in these bands, the expansion can run into that 2940, 2950 area that I mentioned on the daily chart yesterday and that I mentioned in the webcast. It's just a matter of, bands compress, bands expand. It's just kind of the way it goes. So what you're seeing here in the regular session is a follow-through of the expansion that started with Europe news. It's being buoyed by some Trump news right now about conversations with the president of China. And it is fuel that the market is using as a reason to flip. As far as the bears are concerned, they really needed to get it done between 12 and 14. If they couldn't, then it's going to hang around their neck for the rest of the week. As we head into FOMC tomorrow, as we head into other things, this break out of compression into expansion, there's enough fuel in these bands to go get some of that upside stuff done, and you can see that kind of starting to come to fruition now. So for us right now, we're long 12. And my plan is to let this work for the majority of the day. So sorry this is coming out after the open. The one I did before the open, the sound got all corrupted. It sounded ridiculous and it looked stupid, so I did another one. We'll have some more stuff out on social. Take care, trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.